May 13th, we are up at Doe's now. I just got done Alan's house, which is the first field that's finished disking up here. And Alex is on the second last field. She's got one more to do after this. She's chisel plowing. You can't tell from this distance, but she's just enough to scrape the top of the dirt. I mean, I've said it last year and stuff. Up here, this is like the birthplace of stones. If I open the window up, it's just steel on stone all day long. So if you don't make eye contact, you don't gotta pick them up. So we're good. That is a good technique sometimes. Just finishing up this end row right here where I turned around. Yeah, I'll let you listen. Sounds lovely. But I'm also going slow like yesterday at the one that's on the hill right down there. Go 5.5, sometimes slower if it's really bad. Just so we minimize damage. You can't prevent it, but you can at least minimize it. So I didn't have the drone up, but Ferdy was just fighting a random tire for like 5 minutes to get in the bucket. And like, you know, you can just get out and throw it in real quick. But it got to the point where it was just the fact that he didn't get it in right away that he was fighting this tire. And it was more funny to experience watching it than anything. And if I had the drone up, it would have been hilarious. But I figured I needed to share this with you guys because he got extremely upset at this one little tire. But we are going. I'm closing that again. Letting all the dust in. Much colder in here. We got a little bit of a lunch break. Stan and Phil, I think Phil still needs his food. Stan got his, my mom's here bringing food. Now everyone stop. They're done that bottom section there, so now they're doing this top. This right here is going to be not too bad. Extremely fun for them because of all the ruts from loading manure. Alex does love that thing. I saw you in the middle of the back part, that was about it. Ferdy's tailing me, he's going to get stones. We're in Matt's field now, and they're done chisel plowing, so there's... The one you're going back up, this one? The line I just came down. You got the stone crew. Yeah, there's a big one up there. It's a little warm out, but they got done chisel plowing, so they're helping Ferdy. I'm doing the last pass here. There's another big rock right there, huge. And Christoph just got in here. So, we got 2 more fields to plant below the manure pit, and then across from Ferdy's house. So they're both over there. And then we'll be done planting for this year. Should be nice. We have the whole rock crew together now. We got Marcus driving, Ava's with him. Gerhard, Ferdy, and Alex picking stones. And I'm spotting them out for them. Being very nice, I'm telling them where they are. There's another one right down there. They were headed the wrong direction earlier, so I turned them around. But we're just getting big ones. Like you see right there, I just picked the whole disc up. We are not trying to break shafts on these discs right now. Normally every year we at least break one on one of the harrows. I guess last year we didn't. Last year was the first time we never did. We're trying to do 2 years in a row. They're not very big, so it happens quite easily sometimes with these big stones. You guys did great.
You did too.
I was spotting them out. That's what I told them.
Glad you helped.
I did my part. You guys are looking red.
I know.
You look red too.
Yeah. It's tropic.
Yeah.
I got like 2 shovels I gotta go.
No, that's not a lot. So he perfectly got the right amount. That's cost effective. Alrighty, Christoph has 1 field left to do. And he has like 4 more passes in that one.
Last day of corn planting, but we got some issues. I ain't supposed to be there, but we'll flip it around and we'll fix it. Hopefully finish up today.
Christoph grunting it down. Yep.
Oh, motherfucker!
Awesome, now we have some more work. Oh.
Hey, wanna get a bag?
Yep. Enough. Not crazy. So, what just happened is he decided to kick it 1 extra time and take off the drain plug and snap it.
Fucking so stupid.
So, too much grunting, not enough looking.
No.
Alright, now we gotta figure out this. It just snapped off inside the housing.
Well, maybe we can just...
They physically watched something get broken.
That's okay. This shit happens on the farm.
So what we're attempting, or at least Christoph is
Might have to go home and cut this.
we're gonna, I guess he's gonna cut the threads and
Cut
we're
'em,
gonna
and then they'll be threaded.
jam that bad boy right back up in the hole. And kick it 1 last time.
One more time for you to see it.
You're gonna put it on backwards?
Maybe.
That might work. Adapt, overcome, and achieve. And then we gotta put corn seed in. He doesn't have enough to finish up.
Especially since I dropped it all.
You did. That's some money right there.
I know.
Don't worry, the animals will love it. Nah, we're gonna kick dirt over it.
It'll go.
It's like soybeans. It'll grow anywhere, right? That shit will.
That's it.
Nah, that's a lot better than corn. I mean, it won't grow amazing population, but it'll grow. And he has got it back together. Both things are fixed. He's just tightening it up. Now we're gonna put corn seed in. We've actually had a lot of breakdowns this planting.
It wasn't too bad.
There was a handful, but I didn't show them because we fixed them in the morning and I didn't grab the GoPro. He doesn't want to get done today. He keeps breaking the planter. But no, we had a fuel line rub out on the 86, so we had to drain the fuel, fix that. Then the forwards and reverse shuttle, a wire broke in that, so we had to buy a new forwards reverse lever so that the park would go in and out. What else happened?
Bearings.
Yeah.
Lots of bearings. Oh, not a lot.
I had 1 bearing blow on the big set during the season, which is not horrible.
Some wheel bearings.
Wheel bearing on this.
Yeah, we had Christoph and me changed this one here.
I feel like I'm missing something.
Wheel bearings on the chisels.
The chisel plow, yeah, we had wheel bearings go. 1, but I did record that.
Yeah.
What else? What was not that eventful of a planting, which is a very good thing.
Yeah. Ooh, my PTO switch on the 61.
Yeah, I never showed that.
Yeah, I rated it up.
We jumped the PTO switch on that thing. Because that went bad. That part came in now. So, yeah, very uneventful, which we're very happy
The MX 120, we got a well, that was nothing to do with planning, but
I guess the seal blew.
The A and the 1 and 3 power shift isn't working anymore, and this main input shaft seal is bad.
Yep.
So
we put a little bit of oil in it and picked rocks with it today because it's our only bucket tractor that's drivable right now.
Well, I mean,
well, the chisels are on the other one, and
well, you just
Josh on the other 2. All right. Anyways, we're gonna put seed in and keep going. So he's gonna go plant the last, what, 7 acres?
Yeah, 7, 8 acres
of this field, and that'll be it for this video and that for planting. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.
That'll be gas. Maybe not. We'll have
probably not the next video will be grass, but first cut's coming.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.